Who's tired of being cooped up inside and wants some fun fitness for kids? If that's you, look no further. Hello friends, the Libraries of Stevens County and myself, Miss Anna, are bringing you another fun fitness for kids. This one though is a little bit different. We're actually going to be doing yoga, which I am very excited. This is our first yoga session. And I'm just going to give you 6 simple yoga moves that will help slow your breathing down and stretch your body out and make you just a little bit more relaxed throughout the day. You may think it's a lot like the simple stretches that we do at the beginning of all of our other workouts, but we actually want to focus on our breathing and make sure that it's slow so that our body is relaxing, and then we're getting an even better stretch. So for starters, we're going to reach up really high, open up our chest and our core. We always engage our core for our workouts, but we want to relax it now. So just do good 5 deep breaths. Very good, and to the side. Just remember, 5 deep breaths throughout all these stretches. Oh, very good. I am already feeling loose up top. That's great. Now we're going to go into downward dog, okay? For this one, just reach down and out, right? We do want our back to fall in, right? And try and get your heels down to the ground. 5 deep breaths. If it's too hard for you to get your heels down, just let them fall up a little bit. Just feel the stretch throughout your legs and your arms and your back. We're gonna go down into Cobra. Stretch that chest up. Let your back stretch. And into child's pose. Let your chest fall to the ground and your face. Really stretch those shoulders and back. That's one of my favorites. We're gonna go up into cow and cat. So our cat is like where we arch our back up like a kitty cat that's scared, right? And then we're gonna arch down into a cow. We're gonna go moo. Oh, that's a good one for the back. Do that 5 times. Cat. Moo. That's 2. Cat. Cow. That's 3. Cat. Cow. That's 4. Cat. All right, last cow. Ooh. Oh, that's a good one. All right, we've done a lot of shoulders and back and arm stretches with our yoga. Now we're gonna do some leg stretches, some ballet stretches. So go ahead and do a number 4 with your legs, and we're gonna stretch up and down. Try and grab your toesies and pull your chest down. 5 good breaths. Sometimes it's good to come back up and try again and stretch back out, right? Other side. Come back up and stretch out again. Good, very good. Now we're gonna spread our legs out and we're gonna reach to the side. Try and touch your toesies. Other side. Good. Try stretching just straight out. Other side. All right, last one, stretching our legs a little bit more, is to pull our chest down to the ground, like this. Get your arms out and stretch. Try and kiss the ground. No, just kidding. Very good. All right, if you feel like you need to stretch more or relax a little bit more, just go ahead and watch this a few more times and really stretch that body out. But other than that, I hope that you guys had a wonderful time with me today. I know that I did. And you can always rewatch these videos on our YouTube channel. Have a wonderful day. Bye.